Two truths and a lie, but with math, can you spot the fake? First fact, measuring the length of a coastline sounds simple, but mathematically, there is no right answer. This is because coastlines behave like fractals. The perimeter depends on the level of detail. As a result, official sources often disagree with one another, sometimes by crazy amounts. Second fact, a cube has multiple different nets that can fold up into a cube, but tetrahedrons only have this one net. These other nets end up forming different shapes. Third fact, imagine a wooden Rubik's Cube with a termite starting in the very center. It's impossible for the termite to burrow through all 27 cubes. Moving diagonally or going back to previous cubes is not allowed. Pause now to think about which fact is fake. The third fact is true. We'll color the cubes in a checkerboard pattern so that white cubes can only touch black cubes and vice versa. This means that every time the termite moves through cubes, it switches colors. Now, notice that there are 13 black cubes and 14 white ones, meaning a path going through all 27 must start and end with a white cube. But the center starting cube is black, so this is impossible. The first fact is also true. The further down you look, the more detail you see, and the more detail you see, the longer the coastline becomes, and every source stops at a different point. This is known as the coastline paradox. This means the second fact was the fake one. This long net actually can fold into a tetrahedron.